Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am a student of World University of Bangladesh. This is my identity as a World University of Bangladesh student, name Saif Ahmed ID now, and course ID MGT603. This is my honorable course teacher, Iftikharul Islam Huyan, Senior Lecturer, World University of Bangladesh. My course name is Insurance and Risk Management. Today I'm going to presentation on Risk Management Bank Asia Limited. As a risk manager of Bank Asia Limited, there is my content introducing Bank Asia Limited, key risks faced by the Bank Asia Limited, bank risk management approaches, suggested strategies to mitigate risks associated with COVID-19, Bank Asia Limited, conclusion. Introducing Bank Asia Limited. Bank Asia Limited is a private bank in private sector and it's a commercial bank established under the Bank Company Act 1991. The initial paid-off capital of the bank is over 90 million taka. It serves service with the vision of serve people with modern and innovating banking product and service at affordable charge. The bank is offering online banking with added delivery channels like ATM, telebanking, SMS, and net banking. Key risks faced by the Bank Asia Limited. The Bank Asia Limited face some of three risks: credit risks, operational risks, market risks. Credit risks. East underwriting and larger lending, a high tolerate for policy expansion, high concentration in commercial real estate lending, particularly in smaller bank. Despite this relatively high concentration, the OCC says that CRE risk management in OCC supervised banking generally sound. Operational risks. Operational risks. Cybersecurity threats, reliance on unsecured, unpatched, or otherwise unsupported tools by the banks and their third parties, use of third parties, vendors, and services providers. These are happen only of unsupported tools by the bank and third parties and unsecured and cybersecurity threats. Market risks. Market risks. Market risk is mostly occurs from a bank's activity in capital market. It is due to the unpredictability of equity markets, commodity prices, interest rates, and credit spreads. Banks are more exposed if they are heavily involved in investing in capital market or sales and trading. These are the three risks faced by the Asia Bank Limited, and these are example of those increased risks include, and the following factors are seen of the driven this elevated operational risks. Bank risk management approaches. As I said, there is three risks faced by the Bank Asia Limited. One is credit risk, two is operational risks, and three is market risks. They have all have their approaches, and credit risks have standardized approach, foundation internal rating based approach, advanced internal based approach, and operational risks have basic indicator approaches, in standardized approaches, advanced measurement approaches, and market risks have standardized approaches and internal model. Suggested strategies to mitigate risks associated with COVID-19 Bank Asia Limited. In this situation, we are facing a very big problem which is called COVID-19. COVID-19 is a virus which is harm our life so much. The bank sector harm very much, so they have to mitigate risks associated with COVID-19. This will help. This the following chart I gave in my presentation. This will help to mitigate associated with COVID-19 Bank Asia Limited. First of all, they have to be internet banking, routinely update and test their business continuity and desired recovery plans, establish a robust COVID-19 operational risk management framework, including setting up a COVID-19 committee, electronic signature, electronic payment, flexible opportunity for moral hazard flexibility, minimize opportunity for moral hazard, digital marketing and ATM. If they follow this chart, they will mitigate risks associated with COVID-19. Conclusion. Conclusion. The bank should care again in manpower and its capital of use this in such a way that will produce a maximum output in future and motivated their client and investor for deposit and investment. The bank should take care of reduce unnecessary expenses. If the bank keeps its expenses at satisfactory level, it produce a maximum output in future. Bank can also follow some suggestion which is given in report which will help to mitigate associate with COVID-19. Thank you so much for my presentation, dear sir.